Where are we going, Greenus?
Hitchcock Nature Center.
Woo!
Taking all the puppies. Rosicus.
I'm out here at the Hitchcock Nature Center here in Iowa, about a half hour north of Council Bluffs. Some people say Iowa, Midwest, Nebraska, it's all just cornfields, but that ain't one of the best forests you've ever seen, then you're lying. It's right here, it's a diamond in the rough. I'm out here heat training, I'm out here hill training, got my vest, Bowerman Track Club, I should say Trail Club right there, but I'll cut them some slack for now. Just enjoying this day. It's gonna get to 90 degrees, nice and hot. Just gotta keep moving. Alright y'all, over 2 hours in to this 3-hour Hitchcock Nature Trail adventure. Pounding one more goo before I head out. Probably drank at least 64 ounces of water. Getting ready for next weekend. I've got the Schutzen 9-hour endurance run in Davenport. It's on a 0.85 mile loop in Schutzen Park. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. I basically just gotta run as many miles as I can in those 9 hours. The course record is just over 44 miles, so I think I could crush that, but I hear a lot of things about this loop in the park. It has about 200 feet of gain. It's wooded, which you'd think would block out the sun, but apparently it holds all the heat in, and 9 hours in the June heat, it's gonna be something gnarly. So this is good practice for that. Hiked an hour with Hannah and her family and our dogs, and now I'm running for 3 hours, so 4 hours in the summer heat should be a good warm-up. I'll probably do something longer tomorrow, you know, back-to-back long days, get ready. But so far I'm having a blast out here. There's nothing better than some trails to clear the mind. So I'm gonna top off this water, head out soon, so catch you later. Alright y'all, just finishing up at the Hitchcock Nature Center. Had a great long run out here. It's awesome getting out on the trails, especially the single track. Park is getting pretty busy, and with the current pandemic, you know, can't be too careful. So there's too much single track and too many people out here. I'm gonna end it a little bit early. I think I still got some great training in. Was out here over 3 hours with the 1 hour hike and then over 2 hours of running. So great day, and you know what? There's only one thing that you can finish a great day like this with, and that's head and get some food. So I'm gonna do that now, and yeah, head back home, relax the rest of the weekend. So 4 black bean burritos, 4 black bean crunchy tacos, $10. Can you beat a deal like that? This is the end of Trail Tuesday #1. So catch you guys next weekend as I run the Shoots in 9 9-hour endurance run.